We stayed in this beautiful hotel named COORG Palace for 2 days. Now it's time to check out. After having a breakfast, we'll be proceeding towards OOTY. We are on our way to OOTY. We stopped here at Omkareshwar temple. This temple is within the city of Madikeri. This is the Omkareshwar temple, Madikeri. It's a very old temple. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. It was built in 1820 by the king Lingarajendra II. The temple is constructed in Indo-Saracenic style. In front of the temple, there is a small lake built in which there is a mantapa. The lake is filled with large number of fish. Inside the temple, there is a holy Shivlinga which was brought from the holy city of Kashi and installed here. Photography was not allowed inside the temple. After seeing this temple, now our next destination is Dubare Elephant Camp. Half an hour passed, we left Madikeri. Now we are going towards Kushal Nagar. Where we'll be visiting the Dubare Elephant Camp. The camp comes before we reach Kushal Nagar. This Dubare Elephant Camp is at a distance of 40 kilometers from Madikeri. Dubare Elephant Camp is located on the banks of river Cauvery in Coorg, which is one of the popular tourist spots. When the water level is low, one has to cross the river on foot to reach the camp. This is how you have to cross this river. It's a nice experience crossing this river by foot, but you have to be very careful while crossing as the rocks are slippery. Wear proper chappal with proper grip. When the water level is high, the boats will take you to the other side, but in summer, the water level will be low and you have to cross by foot. The timing of this elephant camp is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Once the visiting time is over, the elephants will be sent back to the jungle. After crossing this river in this way by walk, we reached Dubare Elephant Camp. And this is the entrance of Dubare Elephant Camp. The entry fee is 120 rupees per person. This camp closes at around 11 o'clock. Before that, you have to visit this place. You can see the elephants from here. It's quite a long distance. Wherever you see, you find elephants here. One or the other elephant will be moving here and there. In this camp, you get to see the elephants at a very near distance. You can feed the elephants with banana, coconut and sugarcane. There are many elephants. These all are brought from the Dubare Reserve Forest and kept here. In every ring, there are about 6 to 7 elephants kept. Up to 11 o'clock, these elephants will be here. And later on, they will be sent back to the Dubare Reserve Forest. Some of these elephants are used during the Mysuru Dasara procession. There are nearly 28 elephants in this Dubare elephant camp. After 11 a.m. in the morning, these elephants will be taken for bathing in the Cauvery river, where tourists are allowed to give bath to these elephants. One thing I would like to say is don't go very near to these elephants. They may not like strangers coming very near to them. Recently, there was a very sad incident which happened here. Because of the fight between two elephants, a lady lost her life and also one of the elephant died there. From here, we'll be going to Ooty via Mysore. Kilometer ಇದೆ ಇದು ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ
30 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್
30 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್
ಮಿಡ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧುಮಲೈ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡುಗೆ ಓಕೆ ಅರ್ಧ
ಅರ್ಧ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು
ಓಕೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂಡೀಪುರ
ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು ಮಧುಮಲೈ
In a short while from now we'll be crossing the Bandipur Tiger Reserve. Half of the Tiger Reserve forest is in Karnataka and the remaining half is in Tamil Nadu. The one which is in Karnataka side is known as Bandipur and the other part which is in Tamil Nadu is known as Madumalai forest. Bandipur Tiger Reserve. We are entering the restricted area. So, you can see the deer here. You can spot elephants, deer and some small animals when you are moving ahead on this road. Before you enter this forest, you have to e-register your details online. And you're not supposed to carry any plastic bottles inside this forest. Yeah. It's a peahen. Even in Ooty, plastic bottles are prohibited. You have to carry water in steel bottles.
ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೋಡ್ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ ಅದು ರೋಡ್
36 bend.
ಇದು 36 ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ 35-40 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಇದೆ.
You can see the elephant and its calf there.
ಹಿಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಎರಡಿದೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದೇ
ಹೌದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿದೆ. This place is known as Masana Gudi. From here they take you for a jungle safari. That's why this place has many, you can see many jeeps here. These all jeeps are used for the jungle safari. Ooty is at a distance of 29 kilometers from here and now we have to start climbing the hill. The Ghat section is around 18 kilometers, Allah? 18 kilometers, yeah. We have started climbing the Kalati Ghat. Kalati Ghat is the Ooty Ghat and it's about 18 kilometers in distance. The time is 5:05. Let's see at what time we'll reach Ooty. There are 36 hairpin bends here in this ghat. As it's drizzling now, these people are covering their vehicle. We are crossing the second hairpin bend. This Kalati Ghat is one route to reach Ooty. The other route is Kudlur Ghat, which is 40 kilometers more in distance. There's a waterfall here, but it can be seen only in rainy season. Oh, steep bends all around. Yeah, you need an expert driver. Yeah. Only small vehicles are allowed in this ghat, as the road is very narrow. This is the fourth hairpin bend. I'm counting these hairpin bends as we are moving from down to Ooty. People going on bikes will enjoy this road. This is the 24th hairpin bend. It's totally difficult to predict the weather conditions on these hill stations. Ooty is known as the Queen of Hills and Kodaikanal is known as Princess of Hills. We appreciate our driver's driving skill. Very nicely he drove. Finally, we reached Ooty. Last one. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is all in this vlog. Thanks for watching my vlog. See you all in my next vlog of Ooty. Until then, goodbye.